What's going on, guys? So I want to, in this video, basically walk you through the steps I take when I do an Instagram promotion for a dropshipping business, like how I go through the motions of talking with the influencer and negotiating a deal, because I'm literally doing that like as we speak. Like I have text right here from the influencer. We're negotiating on text right now for a deal, and then I'll be working with them. They will be promoting my product. And that'll be that. So I want to kind of break down exactly how the whole process goes of things you should do when you are starting to set up a dropshipping store and have Instagram influencers promote your product. Just because it's still a viable source of income, you can still make a shit ton of money. Excuse my language, but you can make a shit ton of money with Instagram influencers. Like this product right here that I'm wearing made me $2,000 in a day pretty quickly. And it was awesome, it was easy, and it was with an influencer. And I'm gonna basically rinse and repeat the process. You guys will see it all in this video unfold. So right now I texted the person who's promoting my product. It's the same exact product. I'm not like hiding anything. I'm literally telling you guys what product I'm selling. Like it's a lock necklace. It's not like I'm explaining the scenario and not showing you guys the product. This is the product. It's like a lock on a necklace. That's literally it. So I did a promotion originally with this person and did sent them $600 for a 24-hour story post with a swipe up. And this time I added in a 24-hour post, and then after 20 hours of the first post being up, they get on their story and they post another one.
Hey guys, the sale's about to end. Swipe up and get your necklace now before the sale's over.
Simple shit like that. So that is, I added another 100 for the second swipe up, which I think is super valuable. I mean, we'll see, I've never done that, but I saw another company do it, so I wanna try it. So last time I did a promotion with this person for $600 for a 24-hour swipe up. I did not have my email marketing or text message marketing in check. Now I do, and I think I'll do a lot more revenue with this store with this promotion, because I have a lot of sick systems in place. And then also I'm paying the person $700 for one story swipe up for 24 hours. And then after that, after 20 hours of, I'm gonna leave that in because it's funny. After 20 hours of the first post, they actually will post on their story again, hey guys, the sale's about to end, swipe up. And so that'll be 20 hours after the first post, basically making it 2 posts that I'm getting for $700. I think that's worth it. That's gonna drag the promotion out for almost 48 hours, which I'm getting for $700. I think it's of value. We'll see. I've never tested this, like a whole like hook, I guess, type, what I do with my hand, a hook. It's like I'm dabbing, but that was stupid. It's like a hook to close them, basically like, hey, you know, the sale's almost over, like check them out right now, or else you will be missing out big time. Other things I'm working on right now is negotiating with suppliers. So right now I'm sourcing the product. I'm selling it for $30 and sourcing it for like $8, and it's this, again, this product. But I found another supplier that I can potentially source for like $3.50, which is huge. That cuts my costs in half, more than half, which will allow me to be way more profitable, number one, but also will allow me to drop my prices for my what I sell the product for. So I can maybe drop it to like $20 and still make a substantial amount, because last promotion, I think I had like, I don't know, let me pull up my abandoned carts, because I had a shit ton. I had 700 abandoned carts and only like 100 checked out. So that's a 1/6 of every add to cart is a checkout. I could probably increase that if I drop my cost of goods. So I'm talking to suppliers right now. Unfortunately, they're in China and it's like 3:42. Hey Siri, what time is it in Shenzhen?
It's 6:42 a.m.
So it's 6:42 a.m. where my supplier is, which means they probably just woke up. So I'll now be talking to them for the next few hours. I probably need to go grab a Red Bull and stuff to stay awake because caffeine is great. But now I'm gonna basically negotiate with them, talk to them, see what we can drop the price down to. Because if you guys aren't negotiating prices from the AliExpress listing, you guys are dumb. Like, I'm being honest. I have a product that I was gonna source. This was gonna be sourced for like almost $12, and I contacted them and they're like, hey, our lowest we can do right now is $8.50 shipped, 17-day ship, or no, it was like 15-day shipping to the US. I was like, sure, I'll do that. It's amazing. Fast processing times, and the suppliers have been great. But if I can drop that by more, I would happily do that. And again, I found another supplier that may be able to get these for under $4 shipped, I hope shipped. Even if I add another $1 or $2 for shipping, I'll still be saving like $2 per unit. And if I do 100 units, I will be saving $200, which is huge. That just is more money in my pocket, and I am down for that. Down, very, very down for that. So this is gonna be fun. I've never filmed a video like this, but yeah, I'm gonna update you guys when fun stuff happens. Right now I need to write the script for the person who's doing the promotion. Basically how it works is I've sent them a product. Yes, I actually get the product to the influencer. If you're not, you're missing out on some money. So if you follow Justin Bieber and he posts a video of him in a specific t-shirt and he's like, yo, just got this new shirt, swipe up, check it out. That's not how he sounds, but whatever. That would be better than him posting a screenshot of a shirt like, yo, check it out. Swipe up. It would be way better if you saw it on someone. Like if I see someone using a product and I know that they're of high status, I'm more likely to potentially buy the product rather than if they just post a white background picture. So I took time out of my day to, like, literally how I got the product to the influencer quickly is I ordered a lock on Amazon and I bought chain from like Joann's or Michael's or somewhere, and I made a necklace myself, and then 2 days shipped it to the influencer. They live in LA and they got it in like 2 days. I'm in California, but I'm in a different city, and so they got it and then they did the promotion and that was it. So, you know, make sure your influencers are getting the product. Even if you don't have the potential to make it or get the product quickly to them, check Amazon, and if you can, to just try to ship it to them as fast as possible from your AliExpress supplier, and that should work. You just may not be able to do the promotion as fast as possible. So for me, the influencer is now able to promote my product whenever because they already have it in their hands. And it's just kind of easy, so I'm hyped about that. But yeah, moving forward, I have to, again, talk to the suppliers and then figure out what we're going to do for the script. So that was a long kind of like preface of this whole video, but we're gonna get into, I guess, all this stuff. But that was a long preface of this video because it seems like it's already 8 minutes. I'm gonna try and trim it down. Now I basically, again, have to start talking to my supplier, write a script and all that stuff. So let's get into it. I'll update you guys like when I come up with the script. Maybe I won't read the script out, but I'll give you a generalization of what I do, and then, yeah, we'll be good. Okay, we paid the influencer. There's the payments proof I'm paying people. I'm not just faking this. I scribbled out the username though, so you guys don't know who the influencer is. So my neighbor's gardener's here, and he decided to ruin my day, ruin my filming session, as you guys may be able to hear from this audio. So I'm gonna pick up the camera when he decides to bounce, because I got some filming to do. But yeah, I'll pick this up whenever he's gone because he needs to chill with this loud ass lawnmower. Update, it's about half an hour past when I just filmed. We now have the script written for the influencer, sent it over to them. Now I just have to edit my website a little bit. I wanna make it look a little better, and hopefully I can convert more people. And then that's about it. Then they'll post on Sunday. Right now it's Friday afternoon. They'll post on Sunday and we will see how I do. I really don't know how I'll do. I know the first promotion I did with this influencer, I did around $2,700 in revenue and I spent $600. So I'm hoping I can cross at least $3,000 with this promotion. If I do that, that'll be pretty good. And there's another freaking lawnmower. Okay, there's another lawnmower. I swear this guy's been cutting the same patch of grass for the past 2 hours, so I don't even know what to say. I'll pick up then I'll start filming when this guy decides to leave, because he's literally been cutting this lawn for like, we're going on like at least 2 hours. Okay, update on everything in regards to this promotion. So I've sent money to the influencer. I talked with them. We are doing a post on Sunday night. Right now it's Friday, so I will be updating you guys when we actually do the promotion, how it goes, and all that stuff. I've done the script for them, so basically what I do before I do the promotion is I send them a script along with the product, and I write the script out, basically trying to have them sell the product as good as they can, and then I have them do their little tweaks on it and make it sound, I guess, natural for them, and then that's about it. Then they'll film the video and post it on Sunday on their story, and then 20 hours after, they're gonna be doing an additional post saying, hey, the sale's about to end, go check out this website, blah, 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 blah. So, that is the update right now. I actually talked to a supplier, and the new supplier can supply me with these products for half of the cost that I'm currently spending, that I'm currently fulfilling for. So I'm currently getting these for $8.50. I can now get them for around $4 shipped, which is amazing. That's really, really good. And the quality apparently is still good, I hope. I mean, I've never used this supplier, but I have checked the reviews, and the reviews aren't bad. They're really good of the product, for the product, so I'm not complaining. I probably will use that supplier, meaning I can now drop the product, like maybe $10 even. I just don't want my previous customers to get upset. So that may be an issue, but I'm not really sure. We will see. We'll see what I end up doing. I may make it sound like it's 75% off rather than 50% off or something like that, just to make it sound like they're actually getting a crazy good deal, because they are on the product, but I don't want my previous customers to be upset that I'm dropping the price, and then it's gonna make them feel like they didn't get a good deal or something like that. So I don't know, we'll figure that out. I have to do some thinking and do some working right now for that, to make sure everything on my website is set up properly. And then yeah, I mean, it'll just be like a waiting game. When the promotion goes up, I'll update you guys with what we do as far as revenue and all that stuff. I'm super excited. I'll update you guys when the time comes. So it's been a few days after the promotion, and so far we've done $2,600 revenue. Now that is pretty freaking cool, considering I spent $700 on the promotion. I'm super hyped that I was able to pull in that amount of revenue, and I've still been getting sales pretty consistently, like every single day. It's only like one or two, but it's still kind of nice, and I expect that even in the next week or two I'll still get sales, just because the person I promoted with had such a big following that it was super, I guess, beneficial for my business. So influencers are still such a viable source of generating revenue with a dropshipping store. I do strongly recommend that you guys do get into it. Before we end this video, I want to calculate the profits. So we are going to say 2,600 minus, or let's do 2,600 divided by my sell price of 30. Let's just say we sold 87 units and I get each unit for $8.50. So we have $740 in product cost. So we'll do 2,600 minus 740 minus the $700 that I spent on influencers, and then minus transaction fees. Let's just say that was $80. We're left with $1,080. Minus apps, we'll add in another $100. I profited around $1,000 on that promotion. That's the exact number, $980 profit from a $700 investment. Pretty good profit margins. I mean, I'm more than doubling my money. The ROAS is pretty high with influencers, and again, I strongly suggest you guys get into them. One of the things I want to start doing, I'm not positive if I want to do this, but I may want to start taking on students to like mentor them and show them the exact product I'm selling. I've already showed you guys that this is the product. This is actually another one, that it's a lock necklace, but I want to show people like my store, and I want to talk to people about the influencers I use and show them super in-depth stuff like, hey, this is the exact influencer I use, this is the theme I use, this is how my store is laid out, this is the name of my store, here you can check it out, this is the domain I get, why I buy like a .co or .com or whatever, .io, whatever it may be. This is why I use the theme and why I do all this stuff. So if you guys are interested in potentially getting mentored by myself, message me on Instagram at TMP if you guys are interested. I'll have a link in my description for the my Instagram. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it 1000%, but message me if you're interested, just because I do want to help people more in depth. Definitely it's gonna be like, it's not gonna be like $100, it's probably gonna be upwards of $1,000, and it's gonna be maybe like a 1 week thing where I will work with a few people 1 week, one-on-one, and then kind of just like grind out and show them exactly what I'm doing, just because that is where I think the most value comes from, with having me be someone where I'm doing a lot of stuff that people don't know about, and then it just allows the people to grow much quicker because they actually see concrete details as to what exactly I'm doing with my businesses. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know. Again, you can DM me on Instagram. I'm not positive if I'm gonna do this. I just wanna see how many people are potentially interested. So hope you guys again did enjoy this video. If you did, you can drop a thumbs up and click that subscribe button below. I'm gonna start posting videos every day, which a lot of YouTubers say, but they don't actually do it. I have decided that's gonna be something I wanna do every single day and see how it goes. So I'll do this for a month and see how I like posting every single day. It's gonna be strictly dropshipping content. And yeah, we'll see how it goes from there. So hope you guys again did enjoy. If you're interested in me mentoring you, you can always again DM me. I'll have a link in my description. But other than that, hope you guys did enjoy, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.